Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. On October 11th, 2024, an order was entered in the Idaho versus Kohberger case. It's entitled Order Ray Requesting Case Records. And it says here, venue in this case has been changed to Ada County, pursuant to order of the Idaho Supreme Court. This order is intended to clarify how records in the case may be accessed or requested pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule ICAR 32. So in this first paragraph, Judge Hippler is basically going over the fact that the case was in Latah County from its inception until September of 2024, when the Idaho Supreme Court then stated that the case should be transferred or would be transferred from Latah County to Ada County. And Judge Hippler has been the judicial officer ever since. So it's not clear what caused Judge Hippler to issue this order on October 11th, but for whatever reason, the court felt that it was imperative to clarify how records in this case, so many of which are under seal, as you know, if you have been listening to our continuing podcast series, may be either accessed or requested. The next paragraph says that records that are available to the public may be accessed at the Idaho Supreme Court's Cases of Interest site. And we have included a link to that Cases of Interest site in every one of our episodes of the Indie Zone so that you can go and review whatever document we are discussing, including this one, this October 11th, 2024 document for yourself. So the court begins here by stating, look, any of the documents that are public, go to the Idaho Judicial Cases of Interest website and you'll be able to retrieve them. Next, requests for audios of hearing are to be submitted to the Ada County T as in Thomas, C as in Charlie, A as in Apple, transcripts department, and a link is provided here, even if those hearings took place in Latah County. Next, requests for sealed records are to be submitted to the Ada County Clerk's office. The sealed records request form is available at, and a link is provided here. The completed sealed request forms may be emailed to, and an email is located here. We go to now page 2 of the order to continue. Sealed records can only be disclosed with the permission of the presiding judge, and that would be Judge Stephen Hippler. It is so ordered, dated the 11th day of October, 2024, and signed by the Honorable Stephen Hippler, the Administrative District Judge, as well as the presiding judge over the Idaho versus Kohberger case. If you would like to review a copy of this order, please go to the link, as I've stated, that's provided in the description to this podcast episode. And in viewing the docket over the course of the last several weeks, I'm recording this at the end of October, there has been nothing stating that any requests have been approved by the presiding judge for any sealed records. So we'll just continue to keep an eye on the docket to see if any of those orders, either granting or denying said requests, appear on the docket of the Idaho 4 case. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. As always, thank you very much for joining us here today.